181. Take something back. Meaning, return an item.
Example, I have to take our new TV back because it doesn't work.
182. Take off. Meaning, start to fly.
Example, my plane takes off in 5 minutes.
183. Take something off. Meaning, remove something, usually clothing.
Example, take off your socks and shoes and come in the lake.
184. Take something out. Meaning, remove from a place or thing.
Example, can you take the garbage out to the street for me?
185. Take someone out. Meaning, pay for someone to go somewhere with you.
Example, my grandparents took us out for dinner and a movie.
186. Tear something up. Meaning, rip into pieces.
Example, I tore up my ex-boyfriend's letters and gave them back to him.
187. Think back. Meaning, remember, often +to, sometimes +on.
Example, when I think back on my youth, I wish I had studied harder.
188. Think something over. Meaning, consider.
Example, I'll have to think this job offer over before I make my final decision.
189. Throw something away. Meaning, dispose of.
Example, we threw our old furniture away when we won the lottery.
190. Turn something down. Meaning, decrease the volume or strength, heat, light.
Example, please turn the TV down while the guests are here.